In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force dark mode on all websites in Google Chrome. This can be really handy, especially if you're someone who works late at night and prefers darker screens to reduce eye strain. Let's dive right into it and make sure you follow along closely for the best experience. The first thing you want to do is open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have Chrome open, you're going to be entering what is known as the Chrome Flags page. This is a special area within the browser where you can enable experimental features and tweak some settings that aren't accessible from the standard menus. To get to this page, go up to the address bar at the top of your screen and type in Chrome/flags and then hit enter. This will take you to the Chrome Flags page where you will see a whole list of different settings you can experiment with. Now, in the search bar on this page, type the word dark to filter the list down to the setting we are looking for. You should see an option labeled Force Dark Mode for Web Contents. This is the magic feature that we are going to enable. It can essentially force all websites to display in a dark mode, which is perfect for evening browsing. To your right, you'll see a drop-down menu for this option. By default, it's set to default. Click on the drop-down menu and select Enabled. Once you've done that, you will notice a blue button at the bottom of the screen saying Relaunch. Click this button to restart your Google Chrome browser and apply the changes. Don't worry, all your currently open tabs will be restored once the browser relaunches. Now that your browser has restarted, dark mode will be applied to websites even if they don't natively support it. A quick tip here. Not every website is perfectly compatible with these settings, so some sites might not look as good as others when this feature is turned on. But it should work well for most of the popular sites you visit. Remember, if for any reason you'd like to revert these changes, simply go back to the Chrome Flags page, find the Force Dark Mode for Web Contents setting again, and choose Disabled from the drop-down menu. Then, relaunch the browser as before. And that's it. You now know how to enable dark mode on all websites in Google Chrome. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your evening browsing sessions a bit easier on the eyes. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.